Hello everybody, this is Kevin with Exploring with K&C, and today I'm bringing you a product review between the Telesin Max Lens mod and the GoPro Max Lens mod. Normally I do hiking videos, but I think that this was appropriate given the fact that, I use GoPro to video my, hikes and whatnot, and I was interested in getting the Max Lens mod. When I went onto YouTube looking at comparison videos between the two, there was a lot of pro Telesin videos out there, and I was like, well, why not? It's 50 bucks cheaper, and I didn't see any reason why not to. So I went ahead and ordered it up, and it took about 5 weeks to get to me. And I figure it was stuck out at the port of Los Angeles, trying to get in. So I don't really fault them for the long delivery time. It comes in this box, and inside this box you have a cleaning cloth, always good to have, some instructions, and then it has this rubberized case, which is great. And then you have the mod itself, and as you can see, it's got ribs around the side, very hefty, very durable, looks like a quality product. Okay, and then over here you've got the GoPro Max Lens mod, and it just came with the GoPro Max Lens, and that's fine with me. Same rubber case. I mean, these two cases are almost identical. And then as you can see, here's the GoPro Max Lens mod. Smooth around the sides. It's got some heft to it, and identical on the back to the Telesin. Okay, so here's a comparison of the two side by side. Okay. There you go. So, finally got this Telesin, put it on the GoPro, had a big hike planned with petroglyphs and everything, and it was great. Went out there, and when I got home after doing about 3 hours worth of footage, I was horrified, man. All the footage was ruined. It had this warble effect around the outside edges of it. Everything was unusable. It's pretty sad about it. It had a great wide view, 155 degrees, I think, but what good is that is if the outsides are warbling, you can't even use it. And so I was pretty upset about it, and my wife Christy said, why don't you just go down to Best Buy and just pick up what you should have got in the first place. And so I did. I went down. That's when I picked up the GoPro, hooked it up, or the Max Lens mod, and hooked it up to the GoPro. Went around the neighborhood, came back, loaded the footage on the computer. No warble around the outside. So the next week, or the next weekend rather, we went out and I just tried to recreate, the footage that I had done the weekend before. And in my mind, I knew I was going to do a comparison video. That's why I wanted to recreate a lot of the same footage, because I wanted to show you, what happened to me. Now, maybe I'm a one-off, because when I was looking at people online, I saw like one video that had that warble effect. So, maybe I just got a crappy one. Who knows? But I thought maybe I could show you guys some side-by-side comparisons, and you can be the judge for yourself and decide if you're willing to sit and wait for 5-6 weeks for it to come to you, just so that it can have the chance of doing that. In my mind, that's not worth it to me. You're going to want to stick around, because we're going to have some fun at the end of this video, and you're just going to have to wait to see what it is. Your mom hates to be on camera, by the way.
I know. She told us. I was like, Mom, why aren't you in Dad's videos?
I don't want to hear it.
I'm like, no, I'm giving you shit. Get in those videos.
When we were here last time walking this, I was walking close to a shrub and I heard something skittering around in it.
One thing that you're going to notice on this trail is there's lots of trails heading in lots of different directions. So I would highly recommend that you use your all trails. As long as you're going in this general direction, you're going to end up getting on a little dirt road. And you're going to come up to this point right here where it looks like a bunch of different trails shooting off. As long as you head west, you'll run into a dirt road, and then we're going to hang right on that road, and you'll end up being where you need to be. So there you go. There we go.
This is the only time it pays to be in Amazon.
All right, guys, Shipwreck Rock. It's not hard to see why they call that, right?
This is the only time it pays to be in Amazon.
All right, guys, Shipwreck Rock. It's not hard to see why they call that, right? Oh, Lordy. And that, my friends, is how it's done.